How's it going, everybody? This is Jeremy Pearson here at Van Dam Custom Boats. We are here in our shop in beautiful Boyne City, Michigan. Behind me is Dreamboat, the hull, and we've got the superstructure over here. And as I promised from the last video, we've made some significant progress with this boat, and this is just a part of it. Here's the shaft for one of the IPS engines. You can see we've got the pods in here. Both engines are in, both pods are in. We've made a ton of progress on the hull of this boat. Thor is in here, getting everything dialed in. Things are really coming together. In 2.5, 3 weeks, this superstructure will be lifted up and we will bond it to the hull. And then it's really gonna get exciting. So, good look at the superstructure. Last time we showed it to you, there was no top on it. You see El Devo and Derek up here sanding away, right? Making these beautiful curves, getting the eyebrow of the hard top perfected. El Devo tomorrow, Tomorrow, blasting it. Tomorrow it's going to look totally different. You heard it from El Devo, it's going to be true. So over here in the cabinets, Dave Kelso is mixing up some glue, so that part is coming together. There's a lot happening right now. It's really cool, really exciting to see, and we're happy that we can share it with you guys. So